Welcome to a new era of farming, where innovation breathes life into tradition, transforming acres of the past into hectares of future. Artificial intelligence and drones, the harbingers of this technological dawn, reimagine the essence of agriculture. Fields converse with the clouds above, guided by AI, creating a symphony of growth and sustainability. These tools are now the farmer's ally, ensuring the environment's guardianship and paving the way for a sustainable future. In the realm of livestock management, AI excels, perfecting the art of care. From monitoring health to optimizing feed, AI ensures every creature thrives, heralding an age of unparalleled welfare and productivity. AI becomes the sage of irrigation, venerating every drop of water as it nourishes the seeds of tomorrow. Drones, painting the sky, offer insights previously unimagined, ensuring health and vitality are just a mist away. This narrative is not just about efficiency, it's our imagination of agriculture's heart, where tradition and technology dance, crafting a world that's greener, smarter, and brimming with hope. Welcome to the revolution of farming. At the heart of modern farming, AI reshapes livestock management, merging technology with tradition. This new standard enhances animal welfare and farm productivity, spotlighting a proactive approach to health and feeding. AI's vision extends to identifying the optimal breeding times through pattern recognition, elevating herd management. This seamless blend of innovation fosters a balance of welfare and productivity, powered by insights. The role of AI in this era of farming is transformative, enabling farms to flourish as sustainable, productive communities. Here, innovation nurtures compassion, propelling agriculture into a renaissance of efficiency and care. AI steps in as a game-changer in resource management, turning intuition into precision. This revolution conserves water and enhances yields, heralding a new era of sustainable farming. Precision irrigation, powered by AI, exemplifies this shift. Monitored by an intricate sensor network, each plant receives its precise need, marking a stride towards conservation and productivity. The journey into AI-driven irrigation unfolds, revealing a future ripe with sophisticated systems aimed at refining resource management and reinforcing the pillars of sustainable, productive farming. Drones, today's farming marvels, introduce precision and sustainability in field mapping, crop health, and pesticide application, marking a pivotal turn towards smarter agricultural practices. These UAVs offer a bird's-eye view, transforming extensive field monitoring and precise interventions into a manageable reality. This new approach to farming fuses technology with tradition, achieving unparalleled productivity and sustainability. Despite their profound impact, drones navigate through challenges of regulation and technology. Yet their role in agriculture's future is undeniably bright, promising a smart, sustainable era for farming. The fusion of AI and drones opens a visionary chapter in agriculture, fostering a future where innovation enriches every aspect of farming. This symbiosis not only enhances productivity, but pledges a harmonious relationship with our planet. In this new age, AI and drones emerge as curators of efficiency and environmental stewardship. As we gaze into the future, the union of AI and drones in agriculture stands as a testament to human ingenuity. This journey of transformation promises a legacy of prosperity, blending technology with the noblest pursuit of Earth stewardship. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe our channel.